व्हेन आई टोल्ड देम कि मुझे ऑडिशन आया बॉर्डर का, दैट टाइम ओनली दे वर लाइक देखो पता है बॉर्डर कितनी बड़ी फिल्म है, बिकॉज़ दे हैव सीन इट इन देयर
Of
यूथ।
course.
ट्रक भर के जाते थे लोगों के
Yeah.
बॉर्डर देखने के लिए। टू प्ले अ फैमिली मेंबर ऑफ आवर
Yeah.
इंडियन आर्म्स फोर्सेस member is a very big honor.
Yeah.
So it just felt like a dream. It felt great.
He was reached out to do negative PR against Varun being a misfit in border and being height shamed.
It was very heartbreaking when I saw it, you know. I saw videos that people were talking about his smile. I mean, smile is a beautiful thing. And, you know, to make fun of someone's smile, it just felt so wrong.
Did you ever feel he was a misfit in the film?
You know, it wasn't like he was sitting there in a star's capacity thinking that it's just another film. He was working for that film. He worked really hard. जब action हुआ तो we were our parts. We were Nirmaljeet Singh Sekho and Sukhminder Sekho. We were not like, you know, Ishika and Diljit Dosanjh. We were just brother and sister. He's a very exceptional actor, you know. वो इतने बारीकी से काम करते हैं कि वो एक छोटा सा एक्सप्रेशन देंगे और उतने में ही आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि वाह। I also shot with Varun sir, Ahan sir, and they were both also very, very sweet, very kind. I felt really good that, you know, somebody who's a star like him comes to me and, you know, talks to me, and he talked to my father and he said she's very good in the film.
When you work in a multi-starrer, now there are so many brilliant actors here. It's very important for every actor to give space to his or her co-star to shine.
Terms use किए थे कि scene खाना चाह रहे हैं, you know, this is the term that people use, but everybody gave everybody all the space needed to shine.
Well, my guest today is somebody we have seen ever since she was a child artist, and now she has beautifully transitioned into being an actress, and what a journey she's had. And now finally she will be seen in Border 2, welcoming Ishika Gagneja only on FPJ Showbiz. Hi Ishika, congratulations on your big movie. How do you feel currently?
Thank you so much. I feel super excited.
Yeah.
And I really hope that people love our film. I'm just super excited.
When was the first time you got to know that you've been called for this movie and you're gonna what was the process like? Was it like, because as you know, you've been in the industry for a long time, but this comes across as a huge opportunity because it's Border is also a pride of India, right? People love that film. We carry it as our pride.
So I got the audition for the film. I was contacted by Mukesh Chhabra Casting Company, who casted for the film. So they called me and they said that they want to audition me for a part in this film. And in that moment itself, I was just so happy that, you know, I have reached a point in my life, in my career, where I'm getting to, you know, audition for a film this
Correct.
big. And then, you know, I asked them about the character and everything, and then they told me that this is the character of Nirmaljeet Singh Sekho's sister. So to play a PVC sister, you know, it's an honor. It's a moment of, you know, pride. It's a very big responsibility and a huge honor as well. So when I auditioned for the part, I felt like, you know, I want to play this character and I can play this character. You know, sometimes you go in an audition and you feel like it, that this is meant for me and I can do this. And I felt like that, and the audition went really well. We had around 3 rounds of audition before, you know, I met Anurag sir, the director of the film, and when I met him, you know, he said that we saw your first audition, then only we knew that we had found Sukhminder.
So sweet.
So that was a very big, you know, honor for me that the director likes my work. And then we had a look test where, you know, the look of the character and everything was finalized, and then we shot for the film. So throughout this process, I was just, it felt like a dream. It felt like, you know, बस सब अच्छे से हो जाए.
What was your family's first reaction?
Oh, they were तो very excited. मतलब when I told them कि मुझे audition आया border का, that time only they were like देखो पता है border कितनी बड़ी फिल्म है, because they have seen it in their youth.
Of course.
तो they were like, I wasn't born, so I तो didn't see it in theaters or anything. तो मतलब तब मम्मा पापा पंजाब में रहते थे, तो जैसे ट्रक भर के जाते थे लोगों के बॉर्डर देखने के लिए. कितनी बार देखी है हमने, कितनी बार देखी है वो फिल्म. और you have no idea how big this is, and I was like, yeah, I know, I've heard of it, of course. And then when eventually things worked out and I got logged, they were super happy, and they were like, this is an honor,
Yeah.
to work in a film
It
like
is.
this is an honor, and to play a family member of our
Yeah.
Indian Armed Forces member is a very big honor.
Yeah.
So it just felt like a dream. It felt great.
Of course, when you play a family member of some of India's soldier, it also brings a lot of emotions because their life is, they do so much for us and their life is so tough, especially theirs it is, but their family members, because they live in that constant fear. But also that pride is there. So when you were playing this role, how did you balance everything? Did it ever take a toll on you personally when you were not shooting? Because इतने emotional scenes होते हैं.
जी, सो जब मुझे मेरे पार्ट की स्क्रिप्ट मिली थी,
हाँ.
तो जब मैंने वो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी एंड आई वाज जस्ट thinking about the character and the families. In that moment only, there were so many emotions. I am in general a very emotional person. I cry at everything. Every time I go to the films and there is a sad scene, I start
Yeah.
crying. तो border 1 देखते हुए भी I was crying, and border 2 में भी uh, a lot of times just thinking about that situation would overwhelm you with emotions.
Yeah.
But that's why I read everything and I prepared myself. So जब आप set पे जाते हो, you go as a character. You have a responsibility to that part. So you can't let your own emotions, your own feelings get in between that. So for those moments when I was on set, I tried not to bring my own emotions into it. But yes, definitely those emotions that I felt helped me in playing the character better. But just thinking about their sacrifices, their everything, their life just brings so much pride into you. कि I belong to this nation, this country who has such brave sons.
Absolutely. Working with such a talented cast and interacting with them on set, I know you must have not had roles with everybody at once, but I'm sure you must have interacted with everybody. How was that experience individually with everyone? Because a great actor also teaches somebody so much, right? And they have been in the industry for a long time, and so have you. So you have had, both of you have had experiences that are so different. How was that time interacting on set?
So the actors I worked with, they have been working for a lot longer than I have, and uh, they are, they're very big. They worked really well, and they've established themselves as actors. So I too learned a lot from them. I the first person that I shot with was Diljit sir. That was our introduction scene that we shot the first day of my shoot, and he was very. He's very sweet. He is very nice. So the first time that we were shooting, we were just introduced to each other. He just said Sat Shri Akal and we shot the scene. But जब action हुआ तो we were our parts. We were Nirmaljeet Singh Sekho and Sukhminder Sekho. We were not like Ishika and Diljit Dosanjh. We were just brother and sister, and we shot for that. And off screen, धीरे धीरे when we started interacting,
Yeah.
that over the days that came, just we started talking more off screen. And he is a very he's a very exceptional actor. वो इतने बारीकी से काम करते हैं कि वो एक छोटा सा एक्सप्रेशन देंगे और उतने में ही आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि वाओ दैट वाज सो गुड, कि इतना इतना effortlessly he does it. So I think what I learned the most from him was the effortlessness in his work. कितना effortlessly वो dialogue बोल के चले गए. He did that expression, and I'm just like, it didn't even feel like he was playing someone. It just felt like he was that person.
Yeah.
So that was something really special. And I also shot with Varun sir, Ahan sir, and they were both also very, very sweet, very kind. Varun sir, I had met him before at Dhadak screening. So I told him that we have met before, and he's like, "Yeah, I feel like we have met before." Then back then, what happened was that I was just standing. It was during the interval, and he
Yeah.
just came from behind and he said, "You were very good in the film." And then I was like, "He knows me. Varun Dhawan knows me." And he said because he had just watched the film,
Yeah.
so but I had no idea that Varun Dhawan was even coming to the screening. So I felt really good that somebody who's a star like him comes to me and talks to me, and he talked to my father and he said she's very good in the film.
So sweet.
And on set, so my mother came with me to the shoot, so he went to my mother and he told her that she's very good, and he told me also on the very first time that we shot that you're very good.
Wow.
And he said that a lot of times, and it boosts you with
Of
confidence
course.
because you are still it's a big opportunity.
Yeah.
You always have that thing that am I doing justice to my part? Because for me, I think the biggest thing was to do justice to my part, to play this character and carry the emotions it
Yes.
has, and to honor it, to when people, your co-actors and everybody on set gives you that boost that you're doing well, it really helps. So it was really nice. We talked about colleges. He said, I'm from HR. Where were you from? I said NM. Then he was like, मीठी बाई का कैंटीन में अभी भी ये मिलता है क्या? वो पिज्जा हट है क्या उधर? I was saying नहीं, अभी तो शायद नहीं है. So we were talking about a lot of things, films and everything. And even Ahan sir was very sweet. You know, he was talking about how much this film means to him also, because
Correct.
his father's legacy is also attached to him. And they were all very nice, very sweet. We had really good moments on set.
Wow, that's so nice that you've actually had a very supportive experience, because everyone was so nice, so kind to you. Because also I feel you must be one of the youngest,
I was,
right,
yes.
actors there. But when you work in a multi-starrer, now there are so many brilliant actors here. It's very important for every actor to give space to his or her co-star to shine. Like, I'm sure when your scene was there, Diljit must have let you shine no matter what. He must have not thought कि मैं इससे better करूँ, because there was no competition, because I have met him, so I know him, what kind of a person he is. Similarly, I feel Varun is very secure as an actor. You have witnessed it firsthand. How secure was that set? Because आज बहुत सारे actors multi-starrers में काम नहीं करना चाहते because उनको लगता है कि वो competition हो जाएगा.
नहीं, I तो felt very comfortable. I did not feel like कोई भी actor किसी जो terms use किए थे कि scene खाना चाह रहे हैं, this is the term that people use, but everybody gave everybody all the space needed to shine. मतलब Diljit sir, जब I was shooting with him, he used to perform his part and I used to perform my part, and sometimes even when I used to add an expression or a small gesture to which was new, which I had in that scene felt like doing, and after the cut he used to say that ये अच्छा था, ये अच्छा किया, ये करना, ये अच्छा था. And even our director Anurag sir, he also gave us a lot of space as an actor. To me, he gave a lot of space. Sometimes I used to do some gesture and then it's a big film. You are also very this thing that कि कहीं मैंने कुछ ऐसा नहीं कर दिया कि I might overlap with the other actor. तो वो एक डर रहता है कि किसी के साथ कुछ overlap ना हो जाए या मैं कुछ extra ना कर दूँ. तो अनुराग sir used to come to me and say that what you did in the previous ना अच्छा था, वो करो. तो that gave you the confidence to try more. जब आपको एक दो बार push मिलता है from your co-actor, your director, that you can bring more, then you also start exploring as an actor. You get more creative. So with Diljit sir also, with Varun sir also, with Ahan sir also, everybody gave me a lot of space as an actor to shine. मुझे ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा कि they wanted to dominate a scene or they wanted to overpower someone else. So multi-starrer, I feel like it's a multi-actor film. Everybody as an actor performed amazingly well, and yeah.
सो स्वीट बट जब भी कोई भी फिल्म का एक सेकेंड पार्ट होता है स्पेशली अ फिल्म लाइक बॉर्डर विच यू नो एज योर पेरेंट्स टोल्ड यू ट्रक भर के लोग गए हैं यू नो माई पेरेंट्स टेल मी द सेम थिंग कि लोग लिटरली एक बार नहीं वो थिएटर में 2-3 बार देख के आते थे 9-9 घंटे बिता के एंड दिस आजकल ये इतना नहीं होता है यू नो तब की बात ही अलग थी बट वेन यू गेट अ पार्ट 2 like I remember it happened with Gadar. It broke all the records, even the part 2, and I was so happy because people really appreciated हमारी generation को देखने का मौका मिला that what actually Gadar is, and similarly it will happen with Border 2 also. But there is also one thing कि वो compare करते हैं you know कि पहली वाली ऐसी थी और अभी वाली ऐसी है. How do you think कि comparisons अगर होंगे भी तो do you think people will be satisfied with what you know the team is offering?
मतलब आई फील लाइक कि पहली और दूसरी फिल्म में कोई कंपटीशन तो है नहीं. They both the films had one purpose, which is to honor our Indian armed forces and to inspire the audiences. And वही बात बॉर्डर 2 की, it has stories of real war heroes. They are PVCs of our country, and I genuinely just hope that you know जो motive है फिल्म का to inspire, to honor, we are able to fulfill that. And अगर वो हो गया तो देन ऑटोमेटिकली जो ऑडियंस है, अगर उनको कनेक्शन, जब उनको कनेक्शन फील होगा, जब उनको इमोशंस फील होंगे, तो आई फील लाइक कि इट विल क्रिएट its own standing, its own legacy. And there are so many stories, matlab there are so many war heroes, there are so many soldiers of our country. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कहानियाँ सिर्फ बॉर्डर 1 में ही थी, बॉर्डर 2 में भी हैं, हो सकता है बॉर्डर 3 में भी हो अगर बनती है तो आई तो फील लाइक कि the more we are able to tell stories as a film fraternity, the more we have the option to make our audiences feel all the emotions that are associated with those films.
Wow.
I to really hope that people love Border 2
Absolutely.
just as much as they love Border 1.
Lovely. We hope so that hope so too because I know how much hard work goes into making such movies. But you know one thing that particular you know saddened me a bit was this entire controversy that happened with Varun. And I know of an influencer who personally told me that he was reached out to do negative PR against Varun being a misfit in Border and being height shamed, which is something that none of us should appreciate, like people being body shamed, height shamed, look shamed. As somebody who is a part of the movie, how do you react to this? Because this is out and out a negative campaign towards you know Border 2.
It was very heartbreaking when I saw it, to you know create such negativity, such hate towards someone. It just felt very wrong. You know, I saw videos that people were talking about his smile. I mean, smile is a beautiful thing. And to make fun of someone's smile, it just felt so wrong. That why would someone want to shame someone for the way they smile? All of us smile in the most beautiful ways. And as actors, what people bring is their human emotions to things. So that doesn't mean they have to change the way they feel those emotions. तो इट वॉज़ वेरी हार्ट ब्रेकिंग. एंड अभी तो फिल्म का जस्ट स्निपेट्स रिलीज़ हुए हैं, अभी तक तो ट्रेलर भी नहीं आया है फिल्म का. तो जब एक पूरी पिक्चर आती है, उसके बाद जब ऑडियंसेस देखते हैं एंड दे हैव फीडबैक, दैट इज़ अ वेरी कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक दैट एवरी ऑडियंस हैज़ द राइट टू make it. It's a very important thing for the films also to listen to their audience's feedback. But अभी तो स्निपेट्स आए हैं, दे डोंट इवन नो व्हाई दैट कैरेक्टर इज बिहेविंग द वे दे आर. उससे पहले वाले सीन में क्या हुआ है या उनकी क्या बैक स्टोरी है. तो जस्ट टू फॉर व्यूज एंड लाइक्स, पीपल आर क्रिएटिंग सच हेट for someone, and he's playing a PVC of the country. So I do just feel like even the it's just it just feels sad. I felt really sad looking at all of that, and I hope that when people see the film, they realize that he has done an amazing job in the film.
You have worked closely with him. Did you ever feel he was a misfit in the film?
No, not at all. I mean, you know, from the very first time that we shot together, he worked really hard. I mean, I saw it. He, you know, he used to talk with Anurag sir that how should we do this thing, how should we take this. He used to talk to me also that hum isko aise kar sakte hain, how we can make this scene better. He was there, he was in that character, and he had worked so hard for it. And you know, it wasn't like he was sitting there in a star's capacity thinking that it's just another film. He was working for that film, he worked really hard. And you know, it just feels like hate जिसको करना है वो करेंगे ही. तो I didn't feel like that. I didn't feel that he was a misfit. I felt like he played the part amazingly well. And I hope that when people see the film, they will realize
exactly.
that.
I hope so too. But you know, lastly, before we wrap this conversation, when you do a movie like Border 2 and you get associated with such a huge film, you have such a huge opportunity, people automatically start thinking that now Ishika will only do big and better things, right? Because fans जुड़ जाते हैं और आपके जो previous आपकी एक audience है उनको लगता है कि wow, she's done such a brilliant work. Does that put added pressure on your shoulder? And secondly, what kind of roles do you want to explore now?
I too genuinely would like to play every character that I feel like, you know, I can do justice to. I want to make my audience feel variety of emotions. You know, when people come to me, random people in mall, in metro, and they say that you were in Dangal. We remember crying watching you in the film. You know what I feel? I feel pride. I made her cry. You know, I made her feel something. Something I made her feel 10 years ago, she still remembers.
Correct.
So I just want to play parts where I can make people feel more emotions. I can bring more stories, you know, just give voice in a way to those stories. And बड़ी छोटी मतलब छोटे बजट होते हैं, बड़ी फिल्म्स बड़े बजट होते हैं, बट फिल्म्स और कहानियाँ equally important होती हैं. And I want to play, I would love to work in an indie film, you know, where we get to, all of the new people also get to, you know, make a project together. And I would love to work in a big film as well, where there are experienced people in the industry who are making a big project. So looking forward, I just want to do work that I'm proud of, work that I've always dreamt of. You know, today sitting here feels like a dream that, you know, I dreamt of this, that, you know, I want to work, I want to do good work. And to, in future also, that's all I look forward to, you know, be proud of myself and to feel like I am living my dream.
Wow,
Yeah,
I am so sure you will fulfill that. Lastly, before you know, we let go, you are of course getting a little emotional, but how excited your parents are, because they have been so supportive. You said your mom used to come to the set as well to watch the film, and have you also watched the final part?
They're very excited. They are super excited. My parents have just been talking about that कि 23rd को ये करना है, 23rd को कब tickets कब, you know, कब आएंगी, when can we pre-book it. और 23rd को मम्मी is like कि मैं free रहूँगी, मेरे को उस दिन कुछ तो ये, you know, any time, you know, somebody makes plans in a group, she's like नहीं 23rd को तो मैं busy हूँ, मेरी बेटी की film आ रही है. They are very excited. My parents have been very supportive of my acting journey. They are probably the reason that I could, you know, do what I love. And they're so very excited. And I'm sorry, what was the second part?
Have you watched the final version of the movie?
No, not the full version.
Okay.
I have seen some parts of it, but not the full film yet.
Well, on that note, thank you so much for joining in, Ishika. I hope you only do the good work that you've been doing, because you're very true to your craft. I can see that. And all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Hi, I'm Ishika Gagneja, and you're watching me on FPJ Showbiz.